Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you secret codes and hidden features on VIVO V50. So, we'll start with the secret codes. Most of the codes will be using by dial on our phone. So, start with displaying your device IMEI number. Now, star hashtag 06, and when I click hashtag again, it will display my device IMEI number, and I pretty don't want to show you that. So I'll just click, and as you can see, that's my IMEI. The next code is to access the testing menu. So star hashtag 4636, and then again hashtag and star. Here we have the testing menu for phone information, usage statics, Wi-Fi information, etc. Next thing is to view Google Play Services diagnostics. So, star hashtag 426, hashtag and star. That's pretty much it, because I just right now logged into the Google Play, so I don't have anything in there. Next, we can test the Bluetooth functionality. Star hashtag 2323331, and then hashtag star. And it should test our Bluetooth that I have enabled. So I think it just tested it. Next thing is to display Bluetooth device address. Star hashtag 232337, and again hashtag and star that I don't want to show you once again, so I'll just do something like this, star, and that's it. Okay, so that was it for the codes, and now we're going to enable the developer options. So in settings, scroll all the way down to about phone, go into software information and click build number rapidly 7 times. As you can see, no need, you are already a developer because I did it in the previous video. So when you do it for the first time, you should put in your PIN, and that's it. Now we can search for developer options and enable it. In here we have so many options that I won't be able to specify in one video, but the most relevant is stay awake, so the screen will never sleep while charging. The next is automatically system updates. You can disable this option. USB debugging, wireless debugging, bug report shortcut, and pretty much that's it. Allow screen overlays on settings. That's again next thing. Tethering hardware acceleration, show Bluetooth devices without names, disable absolute volume, and I think that's it. But it's really worth going in there and look in for yourself. I should say more like see for yourself. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So, into the hidden features. We can go into our album that is hidden from the previous video, and I have a photo right here of my fellow plant, and I can go into Edit, AI Erase, Manual, and select, for example, this thing. And in a moment, you'll see that it's completely not here. It's not very good. It was better when I tried it previously, so we'll do, okay, maybe this cable right here. Wait for it to identify, and the cable is not there. We can save, but I'll discard the changes. The next thing is shake to turn on the flashlight. So go into the settings first, and then shortcuts. I need to find it. Yeah, shortcuts and accessibility, then smart motion, and shake to turn on the flashlight. Enable it. And as you can see, sometimes it didn't work. Can you? Yeah, it don't work right now. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, maybe I turned it off accidentally. So the next thing is I'll need to go into the browser for it and search for something. Parrot, I want a cat. Okay, so now when you click and hold this, you can circle this cat, for example, and it would search for it. As you can see, it has full description of it even. And products, no. But yeah, there's some articles about these cats and even some photos. So the next thing is you can, okay, browser. With 3 fingers up, you can split the screen and select 2 applications to work simultaneously on them. And pretty much that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.